I don't like to admit it, but I think anytime there's any kind of change, yeah, I'm nervous about it. Each step, even applying for the team lead, I didn't know how is this gonna change? Is it gonna be for the better? I'll be honest, I really didn't know what they did here until the day of the interviews. It's like, oh, we're a gypsum plant. We make wallboard. I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, I just needed the opportunity. I want to better myself. My name is Adan Alencastro, and I am a warehouse supervisor at CertainTeed. I've been here 10 years. Well, I manage my own team. We're on second shift, so whatever's left over from first shift, we have to finish out the day. I'm directly involved in the development of my other team members, asking them what they got going on currently. What can I help you with? Do you need anything from me? That's part of my role. Building individual team members is definitely important because that's what makes the team. I'm a Florida boy, born and raised. I had a hard time in school. As soon as I turned 16, I dropped out and went to work full-time with my uncle. During that time, I met my wife, Bridget, and we started a family. My oldest daughter, she started school. So I needed to find something a little more permanent. I needed to plant my feet in the ground and find a better opportunity. When I did come here, they made it aware that I would not be able to promote to the next level without a diploma. The cool thing is that they actually let me keep working while I worked to earn my diploma. So it wasn't until I came here to CertainTeed where that opportunity presented itself again. It was when I went back to distribution where I said, okay, I gotta get serious here. I gotta get serious about my career. I have to build something. And that really put me on the path where I'm at now. That's where it started for me. It's a little bit of pressure, but it's like a good pressure. It's definitely something I take serious and great pride in. It's probably the best part of the job is that you get to be so personable with people and help them along their way. I have 5 kids, including a set of twin girls. So I guess that makes me like a super dad or something with all the girls. All but the one have been with me while I've worked here. That's where I draw all my motivation and inspiration from, really. That's every day I come here. I have not only a team here at my job, I have a team back home. So the support is endless on both sides. I get a little emotional when I talk about my family. My mom was a teacher when I dropped out of high school. So it must have been really hard on her. She was the first person I called when I earned my diploma. This place and the people, the leaders, they really gave me a shot. They didn't have to hire me on. I recognized that they saw something in me. I did everything that I could to stay on, and once I got hired on, I was gonna show them what I got. I was gonna show them what I can bring to the table. But definitely grateful for the chance that they took on me.